carried over by a breeze. Old leaves swirl around, spiraling up from the ground to the sound of a guitar. Sometimes I see them in my dreams, tornadoes ripping up the trees and houses. I've been waiting for so long to see you. Here I am, seeing it for real before my eyes. Then the morning comes and slaps me in the face. Dream just lets you down. It isn't easy following the thing you love the most, but the alternative comes in the morning and it slaps you in the face. Just another restless soul